Good morning, YouTubers. Today is the last day of harvest, and this coconut that we have right now, that's 20 sako from the other land that we have, my son Leonardo land, and I will show you. I will show you the other pile of coconut which is inside in my property. Well, right now I'm doing a video inside in my property, where's my house in, and I just want to share to you how they do the job, and I don't know if they're done there of taking off the skin of it in the backyard. Okay, there's other pile. Okay, this is the pile that the skin is off. Okay, because the buyer here in Rizal, they want the skin off, but some buyer, which is the next town, they buy a coconut that with skin like this one. But here in Rizal, it should be off skin, so we don't have a choice of that because that's a closer buyer that we can go to bring our coconut copra. Oh, here. So there's another pile here also, right there. That's Bob Noy. He's very strong, beyond, and I will show you in here. I don't know if they're done of taking off the skin. Oh, they are not done yet. My father-in-law, they're not done there yet. I will show you. There. That's how they taking off the skin of the coconut. That's our father-in-law, Berling, the father of my sister-in-law, my trusted sister-in-law, Lizelle. They are close to be done. They are very excited. They are really excited of how much that we can get from the buyer, and I hope that we can get really a good deal so that everyone is happy and it's worth for the hard work. Well, thank you guys for today, and please drop likes and comment, and I love you. We love you. God bless. Bye bye.